Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about best free no-code website builder. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now the best free no-code website builder that I'm going to be suggesting you guys is called Wix.com. Now Wix.com is absolutely for free. As you can see here, I have already created a lot of different random websites and I have been testing its capabilities. So I can guarantee that Wix can be an amazing no-code website builder for you guys. So simply create an account in Wix. After you create your account, this is what you're going to see. It's pretty straightforward. As you can see, we are currently in the sites page wherein we can edit and create a new site or edit our existing site. So how do we create a new site? As you can see here on the top right, there is already a big button that says create new site. So simply select that. After selecting the create new site, we will be redirected to another page so that we could begin creating our creation of our new website. Now, there are currently a new editor for agencies and freelancers. So, for you guys, you are free to try out the new editor, especially if you're an agency or from a freelancer business. But for me, I prefer to use the classic editor, which is the normal Wix editor over here and not the Wix Studio. But for you guys, you are absolutely free to try out the Wix Studio. For us, we're going to go with the Wix editor for now. Now, as you can see, we will be able to be redirected to this page. Now, the great thing about Wix.com is that it also offers AI assistance. As you can see here, it will ask us if we want to bring our ideas to life with AI. We will be able to get faster with the help of AI by telling it about ourselves and get personalized tools, images, and text for our site. If you guys want to do this, if you're feeling a bit lazy or if you want to create your website as fast as possible and then modify the information later on, you could go with the AI. But for us, let's try out how to do it without an AI. So simply click on Setup without AI over here and let's show you how the process works. Now we're going to wait for a few seconds and we will be able to begin creating our process for our website. There we go. This is our step 1. The step 1 is, for me, the most important step on our Wix website creation because it will help us later on specify the things that we need. So as you can see here, what kind of website are you creating? So of course, select the type of website that you want to create. Let's say I want to create an online store or a portfolio. Let's go with a portfolio. The good thing about Wix also is that once you select a specific kind of website, it will allow you to specify what type of kind over here. As you can see, we selected portfolio and you will be able to see there are multiple types of portfolio. So if you are a digital illustration portfolio, creative portfolio, or engineer portfolio, it will allow you to specify the type that you are working on. Now let's simply select that and click on next. Now, what do we like or what would we like to call our website? Now you could leave this as blank and move on to the next step if you're not sure yet. Or you could enter a random name for now. Let's say test random for now as our website name. And simply click on next to proceed to the next step. Now, as you can see here, this is one of the reasons why choosing the correct type of kind of website is important because it's going to be suggesting you features that are relevant to the type of website that you have chosen earlier. So as you can see, earlier I chose portfolio. Now portfolio will be built in, of course, since that is the main feature. And it will suggest us some features or applications that we could have, such as Instagram feed, a blog post, and a video to share some clips about our portfolio or whatever we will be posting in our portfolio. There will be other features over here that will be available for you, but you could choose whichever you want. For example, there's food orders, restaurant menus, typical features that will only be present on other type of kind of website, but you are still free to use them if you want. It is completely up to you. But after that, let's simply click on next and proceed to the next step. As you can see, Now, the next step is we could either begin with the dashboard, wherein you could manage your app, site setting, analytics, communication, and more. Basically, the back end of the Wix website. Don't worry, the back end that I am talking about is not code. It's basically like information that are behind the appearance of your website. Well, if you want to begin with a design right away, you can select begin with a template or get a custom built site, which will be created by an AI once again. Now, as you can see here, this is our templates. Now, since we selected portfolio earlier, it will only show us portfolio website templates. If you have selected specific type of portfolio kind website earlier, it will show you those specific types as well. So, the decision that you create early on or later on is very important. So, let's select one for now. Let's say I want to modify this Illustrator over here. Also, if you don't want to use template, you could go and click on blank templates over here, which is absolutely fine. You could create and start with a brand new empty template to start creating your website. So for us, let's start with this one for now. It might take a while depending on the amount of features that you have. If you enabled a lot of features, so this loading screen might take from a few seconds to a few minutes, but with small amount of features, it might take faster. So we're going to have to wait for a while. So I'll go back to you guys once this finished loading. And there we go. As you can see, very quickly. For me, it took only a few seconds, but there we go. Now it will ask us again if you want help from AI. I'm not going to ask help for now. And there we go. This is their editing site, or this is where you can modify and edit your website. It will give you a quick tour. We have your elements over here, section, pages and menu, site design, apps, business, media, and CMS. Now, the main one that people will use are sections, elements, and page and menu. In the elements, there's a lot of elements that you can play around with. As you can see here, there's an entire list, and hovering over one will allow you to view different styles over here, as you can see. So it offers you a wide range of customization, so it will be very easy. Now, to be able to modify or edit a specific part, you can simply click on Quick Edit, and you will be able to edit that specific section, as you can see here. You can remove the background, the portfolio page, or the projects that you have, the images that will be present. That is for the back end. And you can also modify the layout. So if you want to add something, you can simply click on Elements. Let's say I would like to add a button. Let's click on Add Elements. Look for the button over here, and there we go. There will be some themed buttons or some other design buttons over here that is available for you guys. There's also icons that are buttons. So let's select a very simple one, maybe this one over here. Simply drag and drop it wherever you would like. So there we go. It will appear wherever you have dragged it. And you can simply click on it. You can change the layout, you can change the design, you could add animation to the button, or you could add the link wherein you want the button to lead you. So there we go. You could either have it redirect you to another page, another web address, section, top or bottom of the page, a document, an email, a phone number, or a light box. And you could customize wherever it will take you. This platform is really great, absolutely for free. You would need to connect your domain though. Although you could also run with their subdomain wherein you could just share the link that will be provided to you. But that's basically it. Let's go and try visiting their dashboard. Click on Go to Dashboard, Save Site, and Save and Continue. And on the dashboard, that is like the back end that I have explained earlier. That is where you will be able to modify some information that you won't be able to edit on the editing page or like the design page of your Wix website. So before we end, let's give you a quick tour over here. As you can see, this is where you will be able to modify your portfolio, contacts, custom communications, automations, marketing and SEO, and many more. So aside from that, I think that you guys could explore it on your own. It's very straightforward and you guys will not be lost with how to use it. So that's basically it now for now, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.